Hey Pronunciation Nation, this is Paul Gruber, and in today's video we are going to look at heteronyms. A heteronym is when you have a word spelled a certain way, but it could be pronounced multiple ways and have multiple meanings. It can be very confusing. So let's go back to my studio and I'm going to share these with you. Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to cover the 12 heteronyms that you must know. This word can be a verb and you pronounce it as tear. I call it the air vowel. You go up on the A, pull back on the R. Air. And the word is tear. Tear. It's when you pull things apart. Tear. You can also use the expression I'm going to tear my hair out. Tear. The same spelling of the word is tear, meaning a tear down your face when you cry. It has that high E sound to an R. Tear. Tear. I'm crying tears down my face. So we have either tear or tear. This next word is minute. Notice the first syllable is stressed. Minute, minute. Like I will see you in 5 minutes. Minute. Minute. This word is an adjective. It means really, really tiny. And the second syllable is stressed. Has the I sound and the oo sound. Minute. There is a minute scratch on this painting. Minute. You can't see it. It's minute. This word has a few definitions. The first one I'm going to give you is a verb. Bow. It means to bow. Bow. And you pronounce it with that ow sound. Ow. Ow. Notice my lips come forward. Watch that. Ow. Ow, it's not ow, it's ow. So the word is bow, bow. I will bow to the queen. Bow. Now the same word can be a noun, and that is the bow of a ship or a boat, which means the front of the boat. This is the bow of the ship. This is the bow of the ship. Now there's another pronunciation to this word, and that's with the O sound. O, wo, wo. Bring your lips forward. O. Release your lips on that W. O. So the word is bow. The word is bow. And this is the bow on a shoe. I tied my shoelaces into a bow. I tied my shoelaces into a bow, just like that. This is a very common word, and it's a verb. It's 3 syllables. Separate. Notice it's a strong R, and it's the A sound. Shape it. A. Separate. Separate. And it means to pull things apart. Like, I will separate the paper. I will separate the paper. Separate. Now, it can also be an adjective, and it's pronounced completely different. It's now 2 syllables. Separate. 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 And that means things are not together. So these nuts are in separate bowls. These nuts are in separate bowls. Separate. Now this word, when it's a noun, is wind. The I is pronounced with that low eh sound. Sit, hit. Wind. I can feel the wind on my face. The air is blowing. Wind. Now, the same spelling of that word with the I sound is wind. I am going to wind my watch. Wind. Wind, meaning to turn or twist. Wind. This word is wound, has that oo vowel. Wound, that's like when your skin is cut and injured. You have a wound, okay? Or in war, the soldier was wounded. Now, the same spelling of that word is the past tense of wind. So yesterday, I wound my watch. It's that ow sound. Ow. You got that? Lips forward. Ow. Ow. Wound. I wound my watch. Or if your kid is acting crazy, he's all wound up. He's wound up so tight, like a top, like a spinning top. He was wound up like a top. Produce. This is a two-syllable word and it's a verb. Notice the stress is on the second syllable. Produce. Produce. Like Apple will produce many iPhones. Produce. Or the country produces enough fruits and vegetables for everyone in the country. Produce. Now, the same spelling of that word, when you stress the first syllable, it's pronounced as produce, which is like fruits and vegetables that you would buy in the grocery store. The produce in my grocery store is beautiful. The store has beautiful produce. This word can be a noun, and it's stressed on the first syllable. Project. Project. I am working on my science project. It's a huge project. When the stress is on the second syllable, it's a verb. I project. Project. I project that this video is going to get at least 5,000 views. I hope. Share this video so I get 5,000 views. Please help me. So, project. I project. This word is a proper noun, and you capitalize the P, and it's pronounced as Polish. The first syllable is stressed with the O-O-O sound. Polish. She is from Poland, and she is a Polish woman. Polish. However, if you stress the second syllable and you change the vowel, it becomes polish. That O is pronounced like ah, mouth big, ah, polish. I will polish the furniture, make it shiny. Or I had my teeth polished. This word is a verb with a high E. Lead. Lead. It's not lid. Lid. Have to go high. You have to squeeze that E. Lead. And that's when you take an animal or a child and you bring them to something. I will lead the horse to water. Lead. Or if you're the head of something, like she is the lead programmer in the entire department, or my son was the lead in the school musical. That's a noun. Lead. Now you change the vowel sound of that word and it has an entirely different meaning. As in egg. The word is pronounced as lead. Lead. And that's what's in the inside of a pencil. Lead. When you write, that's what's writing. Lead. Also, it's a type of metal made like in lead pipes. Our house has lead pipes. Lead. Notice it's short. Lead. The other word, up, down. Lead. Lead, lead. That's the difference. And they have two completely different meanings. This next word is both a verb and a noun, and you pronounce it two totally different ways. So check out this. Yes, this is me. This is me from years ago. I used to look quite different. So this picture, I went to the copy machine and I wanted to duplicate this picture. Duplicate. A has that A sound. Duplicate. And then after I duplicated it, this now is a noun, and this becomes the duplicate. We don't pronounce that A, it's now I, as in sit, hit. Duplicate. This is a duplicate. I duplicated it. Verb. I duplicated it. This is the duplicate. And here is the 12th heteronym. This word is a noun, and we pronounce it with that oo sound, that tight oo sound, lips forward. Sewer. Sewer. And that's the pipes that take the wastewater out of your home. It's where all the bad water goes. The sewer. So there's a terrible smell coming from the sewer. Sewer. Now, the same spelling of that word is also a noun, and that's sower, because the verb is sow. Even though it's S-E-W, we pronounce it as O-O-O. Sow. I will sew the button on my shirt. Sew with a needle and thread. Sew. So if I'm doing it, I am the sower. I'm the sower. So the sower was sewing and smelled the terrible smell from the sewer. The sower smelled the smell from the sewer. Now, did I miss any heteronyms? I think I did. If you know of any heteronyms, put them in the comments below, along with any questions that you may have. You know, I spend most of my time working one-on-one and face-to-face with clients over Skype who live all over the world. My goal is to teach people how to speak perfect English as if it were their first language. If you would like to work directly with me, click on the link below. You can sign up for my online video training course, and you can also schedule an appointment to work directly with me over Skype, and it would be my pleasure to help you. I know English could be a difficult language, but everyone here at Pronunciation Workshop wants to make it fun and easy for you, and our goal is for you to get amazing results. Okay, 1, 2, 3, click on that subscribe button, click on the bell so you're notified every time I post a new video, and please give me a thumbs up, and that'll tell me if you like this video, so I'll make more videos just like it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.